Fly to Sydney.
Fly to Sydney.
Fly to Sydney, Australia's harbour city.
Sydney, Australia's most multicultural city, with over 250 languages spoken amongst its 5 million people. A coastal metropolis with its glittering harbour and spectacular beaches. It's also home to one of the most famous bridges on the planet, which is the widest long-span bridge anywhere in the world, that we like to call the coat hanger. So get ready as Sydney welcomes the 23rd and penultimate leg of the Amazing Race Australia. We're nearly there.
Yes, please.
The airport, please.
Thanks, mate. Sydney! Okay, bro, this is ours. We have a massive advantage for this leg, okay? Anurag and I, we've been brought up in Sydney, so we know exactly where to go.
It's a big psychological advantage.
Oh, I was not expecting Sydney. The Sikhs are going to have such a huge advantage. And we saved them on that last leg. Did we make the wrong choice?
We definitely are going to fight as hard as we can to win this leg, give it 110% so that we can get to the finale.
Thanks, have a nice day.
We want to be the first all-female team to win the Amazing Race Australia.
We've had a bit of an alliance happening with the girls and the cowboys, but we're on the point team now. All the alliances end here. Each to their own. Once it's game on, there's no friends.
Once at Sydney Airport, you must take the Airport Link train to Kingsgrove, buy an Opal card and load $40 onto it. Righto.
You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, mate.
This race has been incredible. Winning would change our lives and our families' lives forever.
Tell you what, I can't believe that we even made it on here, let alone the final three.
We'd rather go in this against two very, very strong teams that deserve to win it as well, so you've actually proved something.
The final teams are all travelling on the same flight from Broken Hill to Sydney, where they will tackle their first challenge. Now, what's more Aussie than a pie at the footy? Teams will have to come here to the world-famous Garlow's Pies, founded by footy star Sean Garlick when he hung up his boots. Teams must test their culinary skills by rolling, filling and baking 24 Aussie meat pies, ensuring the pastry is neatly trimmed on all the edges. Only when each and every pie is baked to meaty perfection will they receive their next clue.
Come on.
Let's go, let's go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Hi, may I please get 2 Opal cards with $40 each?
Here we were in the same carriage as the Cowboys, and Amanda and Ashley, we knew we had to jump off the train at Kingsgrove and get cabs to get to the Garlic Pie factory.
Can one of you just organise a cab by calling 13 cabs?
We thought one step
Try
ahead.
to get a taxi order.
Huh?
Try to get a taxi order, mate.
Just let her know that there'll be 2 guys in beards. The reason is we're in a race and I don't want them to take it, obviously. Look for 2 boys with beards and turbans.
It's for 2 men and they both have beards.
In green shirts. They're not in green. Do not pick up boys in green outfits.
What are you doing?
Right.
Tap off, Jazz.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Sikhs went that way.
The Sikhs are definitely our biggest threat because Sydney's their hometown and they know this place well.
We saw a taxi right across the road, so we just went over there. Hey, mate, we're going to Garlow's Pies.
You want any Opal or anything?
No.
You don't use Opal any?
Which way did they go?
They must have went left.
Jazz and Rag, yeah.
Must have.
Another way around here.
Do they?
Well, they're from, yeah, they're another way around everything in Sydney,
True.
pretty much. No, not happy. Damn it.
We get there and guess what? There's no taxi waiting for us.
Yes, yes. Oh my God.
Thank you. Oh no, that person's just taken it.
No, are you serious?
Taxi, can you call us another taxi?
All the best. Legend. Thank you very much, mate.
All right.
So once we got there, we just sort of had that mindset that we're not leaving the top. We're sitting in first and we're not leaving.
Good?
Quick.
Run, bro, come on.
Good man. Hey, mate, how are you? Thank you so much. Good. We ordered you. Perfect.
There was no cabs. It was peak hour. The traffic was banked up.
Do we want to get someone to call one?
Yep.
Once a patient gets over the whole tray, you got to make sure it's on the foils.
Yep.
So you're going to do the whole tray because you need to do 24,
Yeah, of course.
right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You're going to form it, do the pastry.
Yes, we had to make 24 pies.
Never made any before, but I have been known to throw a few pies in the oven.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's the only way you'd be able to cook them. Me too, don't worry.
Grab a ladle, go top the ladle off. It's one ladle each.
Yep.
Scoop it off in. Okay, once you've done that, then the top patient goes back on.
So do we do all 24 at once?
Yes, correct.
Yep.
Righto.
You've got to
So
make
go
24
1
pies.
See you soon.
Go. Come here.
Cowboys got here before us.
But hey, you know what? If we know ourselves and them, we easily can catch up. So we cut off
Yeah,
at the
cut
end
off
and
at
then
the
cut off lines in between as well.
Correct.
Yep.
We had to put the foil in the trays, put the pastry over it and make the shape. Our process was, I was in charge of the mince there and Brendan was on pastry and he smashed that out and we put it over the top.
Pull this out of the way. We're gonna lay it out, push this way a little bit, start laying it out.
That was a massive setback. The Sikhs and the Cowboys are at least 10, 15 in front of us now.
Okay, hopefully we can make pies better tonight.
Not too much. We started second and we told ourselves, we're gonna put our head down, focus, there's just no room for error.
Quick, I'm in. They're nearly done this. It's always best to expect the unexpected on this race.
Your luck can change so quickly.
When we turn up to the pie factory, we're currently sitting in last, and we think they've been there for probably at least 15 minutes at that point.
Where is our pastry roll?
We just wanted to be thorough. We wanted to make sure that we didn't stuff any up. Slow and smooth, smooth as fast. So.
We can smash this out. Hopefully we're not too far behind. Okay, don't talk, just concentrate.
Hey, we can beat these guys.
We outbeat the boys in so many challenges. Today we're going to be 100% on our A game.
Ours look pretty good, I think.
Hey, mate, check.
We have done our 24 pies, but before we can put them in the oven, we've got to get them checked by the boss.
Got this one, fully trimmed.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Full.
2 full, that one?
Yeah, that's why fully trimmed. That one's fully trimmed.
Okay.
Okay.
That one there, it's popped. There's too much filling in one of those pies.
We got overexcited. We put too much meat in there.
Can we have ours checked too, please, bro?
Oh, there's only one. It's this one.
Yeah, right, mate.
Top. Those are good to cook.
The Sikhs got theirs checked before us, but they had to remake about 2 or 3.
That's good there, bro.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Are we able to get some more of these pans? We saw the Sikhs and the Cowboys get knocked back.
So we made a few extra just in case there were any issues.
We're just doing 4 more, and then we're done. Keep rolling it, keep rolling it. I don't want to get rejected again. We felt like we could have done a lot better, having to redo pies. Apply that pressure there. Yeah, good, good, good. This one's done, this one's done. We're getting to the pointy end. We don't have an opportunity to step up and try and make up time again. Pick it up. Pick it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Keep going, keep going. Yep, done.
11 minutes? Yeah, about that.
As we put our pies in the oven, the Cowboys were about 1.5 minutes ahead of us. So we knew it's anyone's game right now. I'm guessing tomato sauce at the pies?
Hell yeah, man. For sure.
It's the only way to have a pie, mate.
If I could have made the pie the way I wanted, it would have been a curry chicken pie.
On, Jack, hey. Gotta get them checked, make sure they're cooked right.
Sorry, they're a bit hot. No holes in them.
That's all right.
Boys, congratulations, you did a good job.
Legend. Happy day.
Appreciate it.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Legend. Cheers, man.
Go. Ready, folks. Make your way to the GMP and Vietnamese restaurant in Canley Heights to receive your next clue.
Canley Vale in Sydney's west is home to one of Australia's largest Vietnamese communities. In this challenge, teams must come here to play a game of Hop Viet Long Roulette. Now, this is a Vietnamese street food delicacy, but inside each egg is a fetal embryo with a beak, feet and feathers. Now, the yellow eggs are 21 days old. However, the red eggs are 28 days old and more developed. Let me tell you, you do not want the 28-day-old egg. Teams must spin the wheel 6 times to eat 6 eggs. Just like this. Come on, yellow, come on, yellow. Yes. What are the odds?
All right, let's go.
This is the only one that's over full, boys.
Just the
Too
one?
Full. It's too full. We've just got to do one.
You're a clear second. And then one little pie was rejected.
Can we have a check, please? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's go, let's go.
The Sikhs failed their first attempt.
And we are right behind them.
No. That looks pretty good.
All right, good
Thank
luck
you.
with them. Oh, look at that.
It's good to go.
Thanks, brother. Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.
Make your way to Dien Hen Vietnamese restaurant.
Canley Heights. Let's go, taxi.
Canley Heights, yeah, boy. Yalla, Habib.
Awesome work, babe. Don't touch your body on that. We've got this.
Yeah, good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Good
Okay.
luck.
Make your way to Demi Hen Vietnamese restaurant. Okay, let's go. Push, push, push.
Oh,